What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Check it out. This is a patio walkway that we did 3 weeks ago, I think 3 or 4 weeks ago. Check it out. It's pretty much a 4 foot by 40 something feet long, and then we have a little patio space over here. So this is just your standard concrete patio, a standard broom finish. Check it out. I have some before pictures that I'll add in there so you guys can see. But if you come over here, we ended up adding this border right here to help keep the soil from migrating into the patio. We didn't do it on this side because the grade was good, but just on this side the grade was a little higher, so we had to add that. And then we added a little walkway to their water spigot right here. Check it out, nice and clean. I'll put the before pictures of how everything looked versus now. This is pretty much it, guys. We are maintaining this property. We're mowing it. Come this way so the dog doesn't bark too much. But we maintained this property. We ended up planting grass here. We created a little swell right here. Check it out from here. The swell comes over here. We had to plant all this grass here. It was really tall here, so I ended up lowering it so the water can migrate this way. That's pretty much it, guys. We do maintain this property, so this is a little project that we ended up doing for the homeowners. We just came in to check it out real quick and then record because I never recorded it. But that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna add some pictures at the end, show you guys how everything looks, and then we did some other stuff. I'll probably show you all that in a bit. Let me just finish taking these pictures so we can get out of here so the dog doesn't bark at us. But let's take these pictures real quick. On this side of the property, the homeowners were experiencing like no grass growth over here because it usually washes out during every storm when they try to plant. So what we ended up doing is planting seed, shade mix, and we put a netting. So we use a straw netting, and they're starting to get some grass growth. I think I'm gonna come in and reseed it for them, and then have them just keep watering it. But it's coming in though. You guys can see the grass coming in. You know, compared to no grass. There was no grass here, and it was just roots. But we ended up fixing that little issue there, and then I think it just needs a little reseed and some water. But that's pretty much it for here, and then let's move on to the next step that we did, the next piece of project that we did here. Up front, we got this right here, this project we ended up doing for the homeowner. We pretty much got in some natural flagstone, whatever you want to call it. We laid some on this side and then laid some on this side, expanding the driveway for them while giving it a beautiful look to the home entrance. That's pretty much what we did in this whole project. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoy the little things that I showed you guys. That's pretty much what we ended up doing on this project. We were here like 3 weeks ago. We got another project around the corner here that we're gonna go to and record for you guys too, but that'll be a separate video. But pretty much that's it, guys. If you guys are interested in something like this and you guys live in my area in Ohio, we're in Menor, Ohio. We travel an hour away in each direction. So if you guys are interested in a design or landscape project work or something, feel free to call me. We also do maintenance, landscape, lawn care, and everything. You guys can reach me at 440-725-4974, and we can work something out. But that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys, and I see you guys in the next video. Peace. In the dump, and all this lumber too right here. Boom, dump. All up to there, so all those pavers out. You see this strip right here? Let's go así. Hasta donde está la flower bed. Vamos a quitar.